Ever wondered what the world eats? What tantalizing tastes and textures are out there, just waiting for you to discover them? Well, prepare to embark on a gastronomic journey like no other. From the spicy curries of India, the delicate sushi of Japan, to the hearty pasta dishes of Italy, and the vibrant street food of Mexico, every corner of the globe offers a unique symphony of flavors. So strap yourself in, it's time to take your taste buds on a global tour. First stop, Asia, a continent renowned for its rich and complex flavors. Let's kick off our journey in Japan, the birthplace of sushi. Sushi is an exquisite balance of taste and presentation. It's a harmonious blend of vinegared rice, fresh fish, and vegetables, carefully wrapped in a sheet of seaweed. Each bite offers a burst of fresh, oceanic flavors, subtly enhanced by the tangy notes of rice vinegar. Next, we travel to South Korea, known for its vibrant and spicy kimchi. This fermented delicacy is a testament to Korea's love for heat and depth in their cuisine. Made from cabbage or radish, bathed in a spicy mix of garlic, chili pepper, and fish sauce, kimchi offers a tantalizing blend of sour, spicy, and umami flavors that are sure to awaken your taste buds. Our Asian culinary tour wouldn't be complete without a stop in Vietnam, the home of the aromatic pho soup. Pho is a symphony of flavors in a bowl. It's a hearty broth infused with star anise, cloves, cinnamon, charred onions, and ginger, poured over rice noodles and thinly sliced beef. The finishing touch is a handful of fresh herbs and a squeeze of lime, adding a refreshing zest. From the fresh, delicate flavors of sushi to the comforting warmth of pho, Asia truly is a food lover's paradise. Next, we whisk you away to Europe, where food is an integral part of culture and tradition. Let's kick off this culinary journey in Italy, where the rich and creamy pasta carbonara reigns supreme. This delightful dish, with its velvety sauce of eggs, cheese, pancetta, and a sprinkle of black pepper, is a true testament to Italian culinary expertise. Originating in Rome, pasta carbonara is a staple that showcases the country's love for simple yet flavorful ingredients. From the sunny streets of Italy, we move to the romantic heart of France, where the hearty beef bourguignon has been warming hearts and stomachs for centuries. This slow-cooked stew, brimming with tender beef, aromatic vegetables, and a rich red wine base, embodies the essence of French comfort food. Its origins date back to the traditional peasant cuisine, but today, it's a beloved dish served in homes and restaurants across the nation. Let's turn the heat up a notch and head to Spain, home to the spicy and vibrant paella. This colorful dish, brimming with saffron-infused rice, a variety of succulent seafood, and a medley of vegetables, is a sensory fiesta. Born in Valencia, paella is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of Spain's rich cultural tapestry and diverse regional flavors. Europe, with its diverse cultures and rich history, offers a wide array of delectable delights that are sure to please any palate. Now, we journey to the Americas, where the food is as diverse as the people and the landscapes. First up, let's savor the taste of a classic American dish, the hamburger. This culinary icon is more than just a sandwich. It's a testament to the American love for simplicity and efficiency. The juicy grilled beef patty nestled between two fluffy buns encapsulates a flavor that's both comforting and indulgent. Whether enjoyed at a backyard barbecue or a trendy bistro, the hamburger stands as a symbol of American culinary culture. Next, we travel south to Mexico, home of the spicy and vibrant tacos. These handheld delights are a colorful medley of flavors and textures. The heat of chili, the tang of lime, the freshness of cilantro, and the crunch of a corn tortilla all combine to create a dish that's as lively and diverse as Mexico itself. Tacos, like the Mexican culture, are all about balance and harmony, each ingredient playing its part to create a symphony of taste. Finally, we venture to Brazil, where the feijoada reigns supreme. This savory stew of black beans and pork is a staple in Brazilian homes, serving as a reminder of the country's rich history and community spirit. The hearty flavors of the feijoada tell a story of resilience, creativity, and the ability to create something truly delicious out of simple, humble ingredients. From the sizzling spices of Mexico to the hearty comfort food of the USA, the Americas offer a smorgasbord of flavors to explore. As we've seen, The world is brimming with culinary delights just waiting to be savored. From the spicy, fragrant dishes of Asia to the rich, hearty meals of Europe, our journey through global cuisine has been nothing short of a feast for the senses. We've tasted the diverse flavors of the Americas, where culinary traditions from around the world have melded to form a melting pot of tastes and textures. We've discovered that food is more than just sustenance. It is a reflection of history, culture, and the unique characteristics of each region. It's an adventure, a way to connect with people and places far and wide. So we encourage you to step out of your comfort zone, to seek out these dishes and experience the incredible diversity of global cuisine. So next time you're in the mood for something new, why not take your taste buds on a global adventure? After all, the world is your oyster, or should we say, your kitchen.